Assalamualaikum and very good morning everyone. I'm LUQMAN HAKIIM bin SHAH. My number matric is 149576. Today I'm going to present my final board project. So in this project we are required to design an isolation cabin or quarantine cabin. This isolation cabin's purpose is to protect people from exposed to the virus. So our proposed location for this project is in the Polytechnic, Port Dickson. So let's jump into my building. My building is called Pentagon Hood because as you can see the hood or the roof is pentagon shape. This pentagon shape is transformed from a square shape to create a geometry form as you can see in my design approaches. Next, design statement. So actually my idea and concept is based on our new normal life where everyone have to wear masks to cover their face from exposed to the virus. Work as a protection mask. Based on the diagram, the slab and the wall is defined as the face of the human and the hood resemble the mask to protect the building, or in other words, the face. Material used for the interior and exterior are wood panel because this material finishes create strong texture that can define natures. Large sliding door and window bring the outdoor into the cabin. So look at the side plan. As you can see, I located my building next to the tree walkway because I want to use the tree as shading device, and also it can help to create privacy surrounding for my building and work as a filter to filter the air. Other than that, this tree help to create a sense of welcoming which is good for an entrance. Next, the orientation of the building is in 60 degree to north point. I choose this orientation because I want to maximize the use of airflow inside the building. It also can gain suitable sunlight due to the sun path rotation. My building is totally covered with wood panel as a finishes. For structure, I use precast slab, and for wall, I use precast wall and metal frame to create the pentagon wall. The metal frame is then mounted with a wood panel. Insulation such as SPF is used between them to prevent from the weather, and then prefab steel trusses are connected to the pentagon metal frame. Next, talking about my landscape. My landscape is a create using the pentagon shape to create similarities between the building and the landscape. The landscape also resembles the territories of the cabin to warn other people to not walk through it because it is prohibited since this is a quarantine cabin. Trees are planted near to the cabin because it has a fundamental role. These are fantastic natural cooling system. They also provide many advantages such as solar protection, thermal insulation, and moisture control. The window is around the building because I want to maximize the use of natural ventilation to ensure the airflow inside the building is smooth. The window size are crucial on controlling the temperature inside the house or inside the cabin. In simple theories, larger opening indicate the possibilities of greater air movement in the internal environment. That's why I use a large sliding door for entrance and multiple windows for my kitchens. So let's move to the last part of the cabin, which is the detail of the drawing. Detail 1 is detail jointing between the pentagon wall metal frame to the prefab steel roof trusses. The roof trusses and metal frame are welded together. Detail number 2 is about the construction of the metal frame from the slab. And finally, detail 3 is about the precast wall panel. The precast wall panel is joined between each other using concrete, and for window and door slot, the precast will be simply cut based on the size of the window and the door. And then the lintel is also using the precast wall panel but in horizontal, support by the vertical wall panel. You can refer to my axonometric diagram to see the building part by part. My cabin construction method is more to IBS method. For me, IBS method has a lot of advantage compared to the conventional because it can save you a lot of money, less wastage, and is something that new generation has to learn about for better future in construction industry in Malaysia. So that's all from me. Thank you.